Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn the animal names? Let's start. The first one is a panda. P is for panda. This is a panda. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a gorilla. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. Rhino. This is a lioness. Lioness. This is a lioness. This is a elephant. This is elephant. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a camel. A camel.